Hi everyone and welcome. Today we are about to be discussing how to display customers reviews on Shopify products page. So now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. First, what we need to do is head over to our online store and you're gonna need an application for this. I have an app, let me show you. This is called the Easy Amazon Reviews. So install this and import your reviews from Amazon, AliExpress and Walmart. Pretty simple. Once you have it done, it is going to look something like this. So if I simply scroll down, you can see these reviews. I have currently 19 reviews and a lot of them are 5 stars, and yeah, some are 4 stars. Looks pretty decent. You can see the images as well, so it really increases the authenticity of your product that you're trying to sell. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.